friends and families, how are you all doing? It's your girl Estelle and I hope you're all doing good. So my friends, I'm back this week with a simple recipe to share with you. It's served as a side dish and is called rice bowl. Yep. And I'm pretty sure if you watch the video till the end, you will love this recipe and you will want to give it a try. So my friends, without further ado, let me show you how to make it. So to get started, I've got 2.5 cups of white rice. Morning sun. Searching for a longer day. Next I've got some salt to taste. That is all for our today's recipe. So my friends, it's time to start cooking. So first I'm going to set the fire from high to medium. Then I will add some water and some salt to taste. So for 1 cup of rice you will need 2.5 cups of water. Okay guys, now that my water is boiling, I'm going to add in the rice, but I just want you guys to know before I add in the rice, I've given it a quick wash. So I'm gonna add in the rice, followed by giving it a stir, then cover it and let it cook until all the water disappeared. Next it's time to check the rice, and at this stage my water has disappeared, as you guys can see. So I'm going to give it a stir as the rice is cooked, but it's not cooked to the point of where I have to start mashing. So I'm going to cover it and let it steam cooked for a further 5 minutes. Okay guys, so it's 5 minutes since my rice is steaming and it's now cooked and turned very soft. So it's time for me to start mashing our rice. So guys, I'm going to start mashing the rice until all the rice stick together and begin to look smooth, and at that point it will be time to start serving. Just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming. And voila, there you have it guys, our rice bowl is ready. How easy that is. I am serving this with some peanut butter soup, but you could serve this with any other soup and it will taste delicious. Yum. And I have already uploaded a video on YouTube where I show you how to make peanut butter soup. So I will link the video at the end of this video so you can go and have a look and see how I've done it. Alright friends and families, this brings the end to our today's video. If you've liked the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Also don't forget to leave a comment if you ever try the recipe to let me know how it turns out, and also share the video with your families and friends. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning up. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section, and also share the video with your families and friends. Okay guys, until then, I will catch up with you in my next video. Bye all.